Somebody to help me. So I'm going to come on the audience and we're going to find somebody out here. Let's find somebody. Actually, yeah, you want to help? Yeah, come on over here. What's your name?
Angie.
Angie. Give a big round of applause for Angie. Come on up here, Angie. I'm going to have you stand right here. Now, Angie, we're going to do a card trick. So for that, we need a deck of cards, all right? Angie, are all these cards different?
Yeah.
Yes, all right. I want you to pick out any one of those cards, any card that you would like. Take a look at it, memorize it, and actually I'm gonna have you make that card unique, okay? Sign your name really big across the face of the card, all right? So that we know that that is your card. Perfect, I'll take the marker back. Show the card to everybody so everybody can see your signature right there. Very good. All right, Angie, I'm gonna take your card. I will not look at it. We're gonna put it back in the center of the deck. Is that your card? Yes. In the center of the deck? Yes? All right, good. Now you are gonna hold on to this, okay? You're gonna hold on to the deck of cards, because this is not one of those tricks where I am gonna find your card. It's not one of those tricks. I have somebody that's gonna help me find the card. All right? This is the future of magic right here, Angie, is the magician's electronic lady, or Mel. Yeah. Mel is gonna help us do the trick, okay? I'm gonna put Mel right here. All right, Angie. Hold that deck of cards. Your card's still in there. Here we go. We'll see if Mel can get off the ground here. There we go. She does tricks. She goes right. She goes left. All right, Angie. You got your deck of cards? This is the great trick that Mel knows. Give me the deck of cards. Angie, is that your card?
Yeah.
There it is, right there. Angie's 9 of hearts. Stand on the drone, that's for you. Give a big round of applause for Angie.
From